gotta come Greenland, yeah, man.
Me want the place. Y'all are free, but them can't touch base. From Kingston back to Mobile, and we run the road every day. Car day. Man a beg light, man a beg cloud. Everywhere me go, them off a top out. Means top y'all, man a need shout out. Clean every time, man a left out. Man a take check, man a take press. Step in the room, vibes get loud. Them girls stop them, I run them out. Y'all face them, I press them out.
Alright, so I always telling us say I'm gonna do beach in a St. Catherine, right? But today, I'm gonna break my own rule. We're gonna pull up at Hellshire. We're gonna check out the scene. We're gonna see what it's like. We're gonna get some fish festival. I don't know the regular thing then where people go at Hellshire for, the famous Hellshire Beach. But most importantly, I've been hearing that, you know, the beach kind of rebuild and I get back a vibes. So I kind of want to go over there go see what's going, because y'all know there's no beach in Kingston and St. Catherine is the closest place you can go to get like beach vibes. And I don't know the famous Fort Clarence and Hellshire Beach. So we're going there today after how many years? I don't know how long me I got Hellshire. Honestly, as y'all can tell, I'm always going to the west side or the east side because yeah, that's where I like to vibe. But today we are go over St. Catherine, we are touch down at Hellshire, and we're gonna see the vibes we're gonna have, right? When I'm interested in these travel vlogs, where I'm carrying it to the little hidden gems of Jamaica, just stick around, make sure you like, comment, and definitely don't leave without subscribing if you're new here. To all of my new subscribers, then big up on yourself, and to all of my OGs, thank you so much for always sticking and staying with your girl. You don't know your girl AliciaAmor, I always say outside soon enough, you right? Stick and stay.
You dealing with the body of course, or you dealing with the boss?
Is there?
And if you hear this and then go on bend your back, go on bend your knees, baby shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Alright guys, so right now we're on the road to Fort Clarence. We're just gonna make a quick stop over there and see what we're going before we head to Hellshire Beach. Alright? I don't know, we're gonna show her the vibes just to see it, so we're gonna just go and stick and stay. So we are now at Fort Clarence Beach. I don't know if the place kind of windy, if not air beer breeze also, but I'm telling us that we're gonna come and see if Fort Clarence Beach has had any changes over the years. So we're not gonna really stay here. The whole plan is to go to Hellshire Beach, but we're gonna check out Fort Clarence Beach. So we're already here. That's the walk one, alright? Walk with me.
No mojo, I bounce back, no pogo, unhappy, no homo, new brands, no logos, money on my juggler, natural hustler, think I need a smuggler up in Russia, you could be my butler, shine my cutler, shout out to Oyenda, that's the guzzler, okay next thing, my life is a wet dream, I call it a sex scene, the bag is a nice tease, I tried to escape, my life is an x-ray, I'm sorry a sex tape, you only get one take, quiet on the set please, rolling
Alright guys, so as you can see, I took you guys to Fort Clarence and gave you guys just a little brief display of what the beach is currently like right now in 2025. As you can see, lots and lots of reefs. I never got to swim, never got to eat. As I'm telling you, I just wanted to pass through and get an update for myself. I don't really see much changes to Fort Clarence. The only thing I saw really was that the reef situation is getting worse and worse and worse. And Mama asked me a question, I can't do something with that reef there. Like, isn't that worth something? Can y'all not take that reef off the beach and make some money off it? Maybe no one can do with reef. Can make Irish marsh, right? I don't know. Is reef them reefs that make... Oh yeah. Alright, let me rephrase that. Can y'all not take the seaweed and do something with it? Is it not profitable? Can it not be used to do anything? Tell me what you can use seaweed to make, or what seaweed is useful for. Alright, so anyway, that was Fort Clarence, and now I'm heading to Hellshire as promised, and we're gonna see what the vibe is like there. Alright, so I'm gonna go and stick and stay. We're outside. Here at Elcia, but now I have a little bit of mixed feelings. Come on, don't tell you how it's there already with me and beaches in St. Catherine. But you know, the place kind of feel different. But we're gonna walk and check out the vibes. I'm not tell you lie, I'm smell the food. When I done already, Elcia is about seafood and good vibes. So we're gonna see if how me remember Elcia to be back in the days, if them still have the vibes a ton up over here, and if the food tastes just as good as we remember it. So now ready to come with me? Let's go. Anyway, we have a link to now. We're going to the restaurant and I'll check out. Me already, I'm kind of picky but when I choose to eat. My friends suggest a different spot today from Elcia, because I don't know when we come to Elcia we normally do practice, but today we're trying something different. We're gonna check out Ciline's, and then I don't know already, I'm gonna tell you how the food come down or bring down and how it starts out. Alright, so I'm gonna just go and stick and stay and catch the vibes. Alright, what the fish did today? Right now Cilene is here telling me to pick up a fish.
What kind of fish you like?
I like seafood.
Steamed fish?
Yes.
So you will go with a snapper steam?
Snapper.
Well, this is a nice snapper.
It looks like I can't have a belly food.
Yeah.
How long is it going to take for fry?
So to
How
fry
long is it going to take to steam?
Like 25 minutes.
Alright, fast lady.
Yes.
So me I come down with today guys a big snapper. Yeah. We don't want in there too, you know. Because this me I work it. I don't know the belly not too big. So we can angle and snapper there.
So this is the before she let you see the after.
Tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all. In the
So what I really want to ask you, because you look like you're from the area, right?
Not really from the area,
But you're quite familiar with the scenery.
Yeah.
So what are some of the changes that you've noticed with Hellshire Beach over the years?
there's a lot of changes because right here was a shore, it was a beach line. Right? Is that
So you're doing good.
yeah. I don't like that I come to you man. Because you see, only one swimming area alone. You have the two ends, only you can swim right at the Eltra.
So you missed that, you missed the fact that basically the sand is gone and all we can look at is the beach, but we can't really enjoy it.
You can enjoy it one and two times, one and few. And now get real enjoyment with me and
But what would you want to see that would change over here?
now I change, for me not change already now, but I change.
So you feel like the vibes gone is still the same vibes, or you feel the vibes is right now compared to back then?
Alright, man, I tell you now, the climate has changed, you know, so you know, the environment has changed, you know, so your body again different. I remember a younger generation have come up from the older generation, so everything has changed. Yeah, so subscribe to Amor Nation YouTube channel. I'm out.
Why you always in the mood? I'm acting brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Really, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? So I'm acting brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Yeah.
还好我终于见到你。
Alright guys, this is why I'm here. The food. You know me already. I got to smell the food. Everything look good. Never taste it and see if everything is good. The meat soft. Yeah, I feel well happy. But take up belly and go happy. I'm gonna have a great time eating this sumptuous food. And then come back and put a good review from the man. Just want to have a dance with my little girl, alright? It's really good though. It tastes really good. This I really want. You want some? This fries are a little fresh. The color looks fine, but it tastes soft. Crispy like my ex-aunt. That maybe, you know, wish wasn't so. The fact that it wasn't so much like the vibe is good. And it's am back home and I need to close out this vlog. But I have to share my viewpoints before closing because I couldn't do it at the beach because it was super windy, as you guys can hear throughout the clips. So I just decided I was gonna wait until I get home. Alright, so my final thoughts on Hellshire. I can't lie. The beach lose a little bit of magic because it no longer have the sand for explore, but the food still slap. If you go for go eat the food, you're good. But if you go for playing a white sand and them thing there, trust me, I have to tell you the truth. I don't believe that experience is the same. Definitely not the same. First of all, there is no longer a sand for you to explore. As you guys can see in the video, that has washed all the way up, and all you can see right now are just rocks, and just go enjoy the view of the beach. The guy did say there was a little part, 2 little parts there where you can go and have a little swim if you're interested in that, but honestly, I don't know. I don't feel like it would have been the place for me go if I want somewhere to swim. Me still, I gotta say, the east side and the west side and definitely Portland are still gonna be my favorite places to go and have a swim if I want to go to the beach or to the river. Now I have to talk about the food. Big up Cilene. Oh my god, I'm not gonna tell a lie. A long time me not eat a steamed fish bad, so food not only looked good, but it smell good and it tastes good. I'm not exaggerate. Cilene angler steamed fish for your girl. Everything did in the steamed fish. The fish did yummy for my tummy. My belly did happy. I couldn't even eat off all night. I don't know if you have a big appetite, maybe you could have done that, but for me not really have that big of an appetite, so me eat as much as I could have eat, and when time my belly full, my vex, cause I just wish I could have just eat off everything one time. But you know your girl asked for a carry home dish, and I carry home I couldn't angle because me did want to come home and remember the food there. Again, one of the best steamed fish I have ever had in a long time. So guys, next time I'm gonna go at Hellshire, if you never try out Cilene's seafood before, remember me tell you now, try it. And if you ever try out Cilene's seafood before, comment under the video and let me know exactly your honest thoughts and feedback of how the food tastes. Anyways, big up Cilene for that lovely meal, and big up the staff, the girl them were there at the bar, the girls that serve the food, the chef, everybody will work under Cilene's seafood. I'm not tell a lie, the service, the customer service was top tier. I enjoyed myself, and I don't know, the staff was just pleasant and friendly, and that even helped to make the experience even better for me. After the meal, me couldn't just leave because the wind was just so relaxing, the sound of the ocean waves and everything. You know the usual vibes where you enjoy beaches for. I had to stay there, chill out a little bit. As you know, can see me did all Angola live. I was on my live just talking to my people, having some fun, eating some oysters, trying to get some information from the oyster guy. But then I asked him, what are the benefits of oysters? Even though you know you have Google, you can ask them questions, and Siri and Alexa, everybody can answer them questions for you. Me personally, they just want to hear from the oyster man himself. Me personally, they just want to know if the man did have any information where he could have share with me. Because you know them people, they generally can share some myths or some superstitions or some whatever. So some of the things them that he was telling me is that it heightens your sex drive, and also it's good for the nerves and stuff like that. If you have any other information, you can share with me in regards to the benefits of oysters. Don't be afraid to share those myths, superstitions, or fun facts in my comment section below, because me like learn, and I feel like every single day upon earth you learn something new, and I'm always open to learning something new. So I just make me know. All right, I had my food, I was relaxing, me never want to leave, guys. As you can see the last part of the video, when you see me I come over upon the toll in the night, I literally left there in the night because the wind, the breeze, the music, everything was just super relaxing, and I enjoy myself. Something that I noted while entering the venue was that the sign, I don't know if you remember the big sign there. I don't know if you guys remember the big sign that's normally at the entrance of Hellshire. That sign is no longer there. I don't know if they took it down for renovation or if they intend on putting it back there, but that was a very distinct sign and it's no longer there. I hope that they get to replace that sign soon because I like seeing it on entering the venue, you know. I want to please to put back the Hellshire sign. Me I beg you know. I want to put it back. I want to put it back, man. Come back with it. You know, give the place some type of elegance and something about the sign. I like it. It's no longer there. I want to please to put it back. One thing still solid about Hellshire is the people. You can't go Hellshire and don't run into some vibes or some story time from the people. You know the people that are going to come down, they are going to give you the vibes, they are going to make you laugh. Who now come try sell you something? Everybody. There's so many vendors over there. Who now sell clothes? I sell food. Who now sell food? I sell massage. Oh my God. When you're going over there, make sure so you walk with your money because there will be somebody coming to you hustling and I try to get you to support them because small business. I don't have a problem with that, honestly. I love to see people trying. Never did that bother me so much, but make sure someone walk with the extra money because outside of the people that we sell the seafood, there's a lot of other people over there trying to sell us something, but I don't think that changed. That has always been a part of the Hellshire experience and that is definitely still happening over there. But the people are always super nice and friendly, so I don't mind. And if you can support them, why not? You know, it's an honest living, honest bread. People have to survive, so people have to do what them have to do. I still kind of miss the good old Hellshire still. I'm not telling a lie. But as the guy also said on the video, things and times are changed. The older generation is fading out. The newer generation are coming. And you know, new generation bring new vibes. And I don't feel like the vibes has gone at all. Even though you no longer have the beach there, you have so many different activities going on. No flicker bars, no flicker different stars. Everybody have them own like a vibe or angle over there. And I feel like if you want to go to Hellshire for a good vibe and a good time, you can still go over there and enjoy yourself. Now the difference between Hellshire and Fort Clarence is, even though Hellshire no longer have no sun, the view of the beach is not showing me all that reef or seaweed or whatever you want to call it. So it made the experience to me even a little bit more fun because as you guys can see, we did go down to Fort Clarence first, not to stay but just to check it out and see what was happening, and it is still the same. The seaweed still take over the front of the beach. People still enjoyed it. People were still in the water. People were still having a good time. But for me personally, that is always a downer when it comes down to a beach, and that is going to be a turn off for me. I'm not going to go in the water. If you don't mind it, then you can always go, but for me personally, that is always going to be a turn off when it comes onto a beach because me like to see in the water. I like to see what go on. I don't like when the water is so brown and murky. It kind of turn me off. Would I go back? Definitely for the food and the vibes and the relaxation. I enjoy myself, but not tell no lie. And I'm glad I go too because it kind of opened up my eyes and I felt like I had a renewed experience. Yeah, would I definitely go again. In fact, I feel like I go more often, especially to Cilene, because that steamed fish was bomb. It definitely had me feeling like I have to come back here. So for the food and the vibes. For the beach though, I still prefer the east side, the west side. And you know, me not gonna left out Portland ever. One of my favorite parish them. Big up to everybody who still support the local spot. Drop a comment and tell me if you still go Hellshire and which of the stalls or the spots is your favorite place to eat. tell me if you go there recently and what your experience was like. Also guys, let me know if you like these kind of Jamaican link up videos so that I can do more, and definitely hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Comment and tell me your favorite parts of the video as well, and definitely if you are new here, make sure say you subscribe. And if you keep coming back to watch my content and you still have not subscribed, why are you doing that? It's always going to be a vibe over here. Keep up with AliciaAmor TV, because you know your girl always outside, always gonna give you some information and always gonna take you on a vibesy experience. We are out. See you in my next vlog. Bye, Amor Nation. Love you guys. You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you.